You're welcome to King Douglas Voice Lab. I'm your diction coach, and if you're a subscriber, congratulations, because you're a step closer to mastering your pronunciation of the English language. In this lesson, we'll be handling digraphs. Digraphs are a combination of two letters that produce a sound, and our focus today will be on consonant digraphs. That means consonant letters coming together to form a consonant sound. Make sure to practice with me as we go along. How do we pronounce this word? Well, the sound is the ch sound. Ch. It's quite popular, isn't it? Tʃeə, tʃeə, tʃeə. And this? Tʃek, tʃek, tʃek. And this one? Tʃip, tʃip, tʃip. And this? Tʃaɪld, tʃaɪld, tʃaɪld. And this? Tiଃtʃ, tiଃtʃ, tiଃtʃ. And this? Mʌtʃ, mʌtʃ, mʌtʃ. We're at the end of our lesson, and if this tickles your fancy, please like, share, and subscribe for more. And I will see you in the next lesson.